It is just a two-step process to fix Java runtime environment not found problem in Windows 10. Open Google Chrome, then type Java JRE and hit enter. Open first link, it belongs from oracle.com. Then scroll down. First of all, we have to check our system type. So right click on File Explorer and click on Properties. Here you can check your system type. So it's a 64-bit operating system. Okay. Again go to Google Chrome and download Java JRE for Windows 64-bit. Click here to download it. You have to log in into Oracle account to download Java JRE setup. Then open it. Click on install. It will take some time to complete its process. After that, close this. Right click on File Explorer, click on Properties, then click on Advanced System Settings, then click on Environment Variables. Okay, we have to set this path, so click on Edit. Now open File Explorer, open C drive, then open Program Files, then open Java folder, then open this folder, then open bin file. That's it, we want this file location. Then click here, copy this. Now again come to edit environment variable, click on new and just paste this file location. Click on OK and close all windows one by one. That's it guys, your problem is solved, you're good to go.